What's up? Just wanna go West Coast with this one. Back to my roots. Yeah. Visionary, I'm dreaming things that ain't customary. Isn't scary living out these days, but all this pain we carry while we carry all of these things that we should have buried. No time for seminary, living a life that's condescending, getting by. So we pretending we lie to keep on sinning. When God's judgment is impending, we continue misrepresenting. Temptation just rose this nation. Information goes past our faces, embraces infatuation. No patience to keep us waiting. Hold up. Here we go, you just mad again. Got no life like a mannequin, facing life disadvantages. I see your bandages, yeah. Still dealing with abandonment. Maybe Satan had his hand in it, bringing pain to your abdomen. Someday you gotta handle it. Put a stop to this rambling, strong mind, understanding that in time you'll be standing with head high and dismantling all lies that be capturing your mind. Start enhancing it, put away sinful practices.
Tell me if you're real right now. Tell me if you're real right now. Cause I've been feeling down like a mouse.
Cause I've been feeling
and I can use you right now. Take away my burden. Come and take away my burden. Come and take away my burdens. Come and take away my burdens.
And I'm going. Don't know where I'm going. But it's okay, cause I can go without knowing. As long as you continue to keep showing. Yeah. We're head up, won't let up. You fed up, then get up and fight back. Just like that, get your life back. Don't get sidetracked, cause even if you're feeling like you can't no longer push through, there are many who feel just like you, even many who question the truth. Check it. Now it's that time to get up. Start speaking that scripture, cause you ain't about to give up. Nah, check it. Now watch this what you're saying. Your words are used for praying. Speak life, take a situation. Yeah. So if he ever question if he's real, I pray the Lord will finally be revealed. And even if I never get a deal, I pray I stay walking in his will.
Right now. Tell me if you're real right now.